My name is Kathleen Yeckley, and I'm here to discuss the disruptive technologies that are currently in the healthcare and science sector. What is disruption? It's a disturbance that interrupts the normal process of things. This video is going to analyze and give a general knowledge of 3 pieces of technology within the healthcare and science industry and briefly pose questions about the implications of it going forward. So, disruption is currently happening within the healthcare sector, and 3 of the main pieces of technology that are new to the field. One is done by IBM Watson, another company called Metabolomx, and Wize Mirror. Have a handful of other companies are now developing new innovative ways to improve the healthcare sector, but those are the main 3. IBM Watson, Metabolomx, and Wize Mirror are the 3 that are going to be discussed within this video. Watson, it's a supercomputer produced by IBM. A supercomputer takes inputted data, stores it, and processes it, and then generates a result at a much faster speed than a normal computer. A picture of IBM Watson, or just a general gist of what it does, it gains the ability to bring people together with an advanced image analytics and capabilities. So what Watson does, it's a parallel processor which splits problems into pieces and works on many pieces at once. Watson understands unstructured data, which comprises 85% of the data humans provide to other humans. That statistic is from IBM. Unstructured data consists of tweets, literature, blogs, articles, Facebook posts, and Watson uses the natural language from each and interprets them to understand what the reader or understand what the user wants. It understands context, and it also can search multiple inquiries and responses at once to formulate the best response possible. It formulates the responses faster than humans ever could, and is finding new solutions to problems, which is why it is so innovative. In addition, Watson's now being used to match people for clinical trials, which allow patients to take part in experimental theories to move into practice. So Watson takes information from a patient's data, matches the patient with the best clinical trials within that given area and that currently exist, and match the patient to opportunities that are unique to the circumstances of the individual. The results are listed on the highest to lowest statistical match. So for example, if there's a woman named Naomi and she has breast cancer, they will analyze her treatment or analyze her patient history or patient diagnostics and match, say, there may be a breast cancer region that has a clinical treatment that's available. It's an 87% match from her, and then going forth from there. One of the cancer centers, Memorial Sloan Kettering, is one of America's first cancer treatment centers, and they've been paired with IBM Watson. So MSK feeds information into Watson, and the supercomputer is then able to analyze the large quantities of data that would normally be too much for one individual to analyze, and reduces the data down to critical decision points. So Watson has access to the most well-respected medical reports and cases and is taught by specialists. It learns from the cases that it helps with patients, and Watson's now being further developed to include monitoring patients and gathering more personalized treatments for patients. There's a list of hospitals and cancer treatment centers that Watson is now paired with, and I posted that after the blog, so if you're interested in reading about it, it's posted after this video. Another company that's being very innovative is Wize Mirror. It's created by researchers from across Europe, and it employs breath monitors, 3D scanners, video cameras, and imaging systems to analyze the healthcare of its users. Mainly, its focus right now is to focus on the personal heart health of an individual. So what it does, it can detect changes in users' faces, monitor the circulation of the skin, search for signs of anxiety, and test breath for heart attack-inducing chemicals. What's so revolutionary about it is we all use mirrors, and mirrors are something that's found in our home. It's a source of in-home diagnostics, and it can reciprocate the results of the test to doctors. It's currently in the prototype stages, but more is to come with Wize Mirror. The final product or innovative technology that I found interesting was Metabolomx. It's a cancer sniffing device. It's through the use of a small desktop PC with a hose attached to it, and this is actually a picture of it. So that right there is what it looks like. It's a computer, and this is what the patient, the breath analysis instrument, was what they would breathe through for roughly 4 minutes. It's easy to wheel around. It can be wheeled around from patient to patient, and individuals are instructed to breathe through the tube. Organic compounds, otherwise known as VOCs, are carried through a person's breath. This machine has the capability of picking up VOCs that carry tumor signatures and can analyze the type of cancer a person has. After a study of 229 people, lung cancer was detected in patients more than 80% of the time. Currently, it's offered as a breath exam after a person undergoes a CT scan, which can increase life expectancy by 20%, according to the National Cancer Institute. Metabolomx is also being used to detect tuberculosis and colon cancer. The major benefits of the technology include rapid results, fast to administrate, reliable, and it's administered at a low cost. All in all, the overall effects is the healthcare is being more personalized. Between Watson, Metabolomx, and Wize Mirror, it's all being personalized to you as an individual. So if there was something wrong, it can have the ability to not only figure out what is wrong, but figure out a treatment later on down the road. Well, I thought it was very cool, and hopefully I was able to provide you all with more information. If you have any questions or if you want to read more, I've posted the articles and the news source documents after this blog. Thanks for listening. Bye.